Okay, I'm over by this mountain, and there's a bunch of construction cranes. There's like this stadium that's not used yet, that's being prepared. This is like an energy company. That over there is Zhuhai, way in the distance, which is China, and then this is a Cotai strip. So you can see Studio City, Parisian, Venetian, Future Londoner, Morpheus, MGM, Wynn Galaxy, and Lisbon Galaxy, and some new casinos. So we're just going to explore it, but we're just going to take a little trip around by this mountainside. That's really interesting. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Interesting. It's not very easy to get to, but I guess there are buses here because I can see some straight ahead, and I'm on my bike, so I'm going to be taking a little bike around. And yeah, when I'm over here I can feel like the breeze, kind of like an ocean breeze kind of feel. It feels so different than the urban Macau that I'm used to always being around. And they're doing a lot of construction. I don't even know what this is over here, but you can see cranes between those two buildings there. You can hear the cranes over there. And we're just gonna go down this whole little thing. Yeah, I don't know what this is all gonna be. It's so interesting. But we're gonna go towards these two tunnels. So the other day I saw some tunnels at nighttime, and I was really curious about those. I'm actually really curious about these mountains too. But yeah, and actually later we're gonna do some other videos too, and we're gonna maybe go around maybe that stadium there, and then around there's a couple of casinos there that people might not know about. But yeah, there's a cluster of casinos right there. So yeah, this is another side of the Cotai Strip. And I don't know, all this construction, I kind of wonder if this is just going to keep getting maxed out with more and more casinos, or if it's just something else that they're going to do here, or if this is just places to leave their spare debris and parts and things like that, you know? It's really hard to know. Anyways, I'm going to come around to this other side and I'll show you that tunnel. So we're kind of near a fence. I'm just going to poke it over the fence and just see what's over there. Doesn't really seem like it's anything. I guess this fence just kind of keeps people from climbing up in the mountains, I guess. Or starting in trails or something. I don't know. These panels just kind of blowing in the wind, but you can kind of see inside. Oh, okay. Looks like it's just kind of like a water thing in there. Looks beautiful. Looks like a really nice little place that maybe later might open up to hiking. I don't know what they're gonna do with that. And then right next to it is a big large parking lot, and that parking lot is I don't know what's up there. It looks like there's a big factory over there. I guess we're gonna find all that stuff out soon. And over there is some of this construction of these new casinos and such. It's a really bizarre spot. So there's like looks like they're tourists or whole family or something just walking. But up there you can see some kind of church. So that, I was just going along the mountain there on that side with all that big barrier. And then over here there's a giant church with a giant cross that I don't know anything about that. And then looks like there's some possibly some paths up there. I don't know. And then this is that tunnel. So I don't know what the story is with that either. It's called Estrada Flor de Lotus. And there's a little circle here. And then over here there's a casino. So I think this casino is, I think it's gonna be like, there's a Lisboa Palace, and then there's also another casino that's, I think we're gonna see it right here. We're gonna share you more with this in a minute, but it's, it says, see what it says. Indoor skydiving. Go Reborn. Go Reborn. And that's the Venus of Lisboa Palace over there. And then this is that, I think way over there, up there, there's like a big thing up on the hill. We're gonna get over closer to that and see. Okay, so I guess we're gonna end it right there. But it looks like they're constructing, there's like a thing here that looks like it's under construction. So I don't know how that's going to work exactly, but it looks like it's going to connect it to something else. And then up there, I think that might be the prison. So Macau actually has a prison, and I think that that's the prison right there. That might be a whole other video, but actually, so this is a mountainside. There's a little roundabout right here, and then there's way more construction over here, and then the Lisboa, and this one is Casa Amigo. Huh. And then the indoor skydiving. Okay, let's close it right here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.